This is a tutorial on how to clean your butterfly. Now, I usually clean it with my hands, but since I'm holding a camera with one hand, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Over here, you can see it's just a regular blue sponge filled with clean water. It's a good way to clean their legs if you feed them. Now, sometimes when you feed them nectar in a little cap from a bottle, and they tend to crawl over the nectar, sugar water, and just go everywhere. So this is how you clean it. You take your Q-tip and make sure you soak it with a little bit of warm water, and that you want to make sure it's not startled. And it takes a while, but you have to make sure you keep a good eye contact. They like to be aware. That's why their eyes are in front. They want to know what's going on. And you want to gently dab your Q-tip across their mouth. See? And then you want to clean their legs, the inside and the outside. Okay, I'm gonna switch hands. Alright. Now I see something around the eyes. Nope. Well, the eyes have this kind of mark, so I'm gonna clean it. Now, I had this butterfly for over 2 weeks, so they're perfectly tame and they're alive. See, this one doesn't show that. Okay. Clean their leg. And it's outside too. You can do this outside or inside. Whatever's up to you. And you want to clean their thorax, the upper thorax. Now, see that hand signal? She means not there. Guess that's their butterfly language. I want to put it down. So if I do it again, he's gonna say no. Yeah, see? No. So you clean their antenna. Clean their antenna. There's dirt in my fingernails from handling. Alright. So it's a good thing that the hands are in a sponge, so that way the water can help, the sponge would help take their residue from the sugar water back down to the sponge. So that's a great way to clean their legs as well, instead of having it all sticky and it gets clumped up when it goes into dirt or lint or dust or whatever. It just gets built up. So okay, behind the legs. Okay, not just the forelegs, but the back. You want to be careful not to clean the inside of their wing or their upper side. Otherwise, it will catch all the scales and you'll ruin the beautiful look of a butterfly. Okay, so I have the other one, and we'll be doing the same thing. And that's how you clean a butterfly. Hope you learned something today. This is Packin, signing off. Peace.